So here we go. I think I'm ready for test driving once it gets a little nicer and not raining. But the pipe I figure out, but I ended up taking the battery box. I had some servo horns that hold up that servo extra, so I went ahead and drilled 2 holes. Ended up countersinking the screws so they won't hit, and everything seems like it clears really good. So I think we're piped on. I have a Fly Sky little transmitter with that, pretty nice. I ended up having to go with different shocks and oil because the weight of the big block ended up making it sag so much it was bottoming me out. But now it does pretty good now. So yeah, so I ended up the rear drive line. I just had some spare axles for one of my T-MAXXs, so I just cut it and made it to fit. So that was cool. But besides that, and moving the transmission forward, it wasn't too bad. Like I say, everything works pretty good. The slide carburetor works great and everything. So yeah, so it'll be cool to figure to give it a run once it cleans up. I'm still fighting my knees, so I do a little bit here and a little bit there. But I like these Fly Sky receivers. They use little antennas, but they go a long way. So, and what's nice is they fit below the body if your body's mounted a certain way. So if you flip it, you end up not breaking it. So cool, yeah. So we'll see what happens. That's all the linkages set up there to make it clear. Everything clears good. Spur gear. I just ended up moving the shock tower back with a spare. I cut a spare tower I had, and it moves it like 1/4 inch. And then I went and put the shocks at the widest point. And like I say, this all clears really nice. So yeah, so cool. So hopefully next time I get going, I'll have a video of it running. Like I say, I'm just waiting for the weather to clean up here. So yeah, so we'll see you next time.